In the heart of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, sunlight pierces through the jungle canopy, revealing a hidden world below. A cenote, a crystal blue sinkhole teeming with life. Here, among the echoes of dripping water and fluttering wings, a tiny jewel of the forest arrives, the turquoise-browed Motmot. With its shimmering blue-green feathers and racket-shaped tail, it's one of the most stunning birds on Earth. But beauty won't make nesting easy. The cenote walls are crowded. Dozens of birds compete for space, digging burrows into the limestone cliffs. Our Motmot must find the perfect spot, safe from predators, yet close enough to water and food. Every flap, every glance is a careful decision. And while the air fills with calls and colors, the Motmot stays focused, determined to carve out its home in this wild, noisy paradise. It's a battle for survival wrapped in elegance, where nature's artists paint, build, and fight for life itself. Discover the hidden struggles of one of Mexico's most mesmerizing birds in wild Mexico, the turquoise-browed Motmot. From BBC Earth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking stories from the wild corners of our planet.